Understanding the phrase, bear the burden, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, bear the burden. Understanding phrases like these is crucial for mastering the language, as they often carry deeper meanings than the words themselves suggest. So, let's dive in and uncover the essence of this interesting phrase. The phrase, bear the burden, is a metaphorical expression. To bear something means to carry or to hold up, while a burden is a heavy load, often referring to something difficult or challenging. When combined, the phrase, bear the burden, means to carry or shoulder a difficult responsibility or hardship. It's often used in contexts where someone is dealing with challenges, stress, or responsibilities that are hard to manage. Let's explore the origins of bear the burden. This phrase has its roots in historical literature and has been used in many contexts over the years, including in religious texts, where it often connoted carrying one's own troubles or sins. In modern usage, it's more broadly applied to various scenarios, from personal struggles to professional responsibilities. To better understand how to use bear the burden, here are some examples. 1. Single parents often have to bear the burden of both caregiving and earning a living. 2. After the CEO resigned, the manager had to bear the burden of leading the company through the crisis. 3. She bore the burden of her family's financial troubles quietly. Notice how the phrase is used to signify carrying a heavy load, whether it's emotional, physical, or metaphorical. It's helpful to know synonyms and related phrases. Here are a few: shoulder the responsibility, carry the weight, uphold the duty. These phrases can be used interchangeably with bear the burden in many contexts. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, bear the burden. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your fluency and comprehension of English. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.